welcome back to Channeling Luxury. I think this is video 5 of 23S. My little tripod broke, so I am using a very funky device, so I apologize for the video quality on this one, but I'm going to show you 4 pieces that came in and we'll see what we think. Hi everyone. Okay, so obviously not put together here. This jacket is polyamide cotton and I believe acrylic. This is 38, fits pretty well. Let me get in a little bit, you can see the colors. It is a medium blue, black, and white. And here's what the buttons look like. Take a look. So fit on it is pretty true to size, I would say. Maybe a little snugger under the arms. Actually, it feels pretty good. I'm not a fan of the shape of it. I haven't been a fan of the shape of pretty much this whole collection, unfortunately. These shorts, I know many of us were looking for, and they are 50% silk and 50%, I believe, cotton. And so I'm trying to show you, I'm a little bit too short, trying to show you where they hit. So right where the video is ending is actually where they're hitting. And they have a little bit of lace detail right here along the leg. So again, I apologize, my equipment broke, so I don't have the ability to adjust the length. But here you go, you can see what the detail here looks like. And then the back of these looks like this. So that's the shorts, and now I'll just show you the dress and the cardigan, and I think that's all. Actually, I have one little thing. I'll do a little short on this as well. This is a beige color. I love this guy. I have it in white, and it's one of my favorite bags that I've ever had, and super easy to wear. I was trying to find the name of it because I actually don't recall. Some of you will probably remember before I do, but it's in ecru. It is a little pricey, $61. This is the large flap. But this had a specific name. I'm trying to recall what it is. But the color is a light brown, very cool summer color, very expensive price under the new pricing structure. So, but in terms of how it looks on the body, not a crossbody bag, but very, very usable. And for those of you who have ever watched my videos before, it has a pocket. So onto the green. All right, this is the mint green dress. You come in a little bit closer, you can see the detail on it. I would say it's medium weight. I know we talk about weight a lot in comments and also in my videos because I like really lightweight fabrics. You can see the length. I'll back up as much as possible and then you can see the length in the mirror. Again, I apologize, my equipment broke. So it definitely shows everything you do and do not want, but the color is beautiful. So let me show you the color again here. And here's the matching cardigan. I don't know if I would go matchy-matchy on this stuff or wear the cardigan with jeans. I think that might be a better option. Cardigan's really stretchy, by the way. Feels nice. And here's what the cardigan looks like. So super quick video, just what's come in so far. And I'll be back in a couple of days actually seeing some things that are on the mannequin that can't be taken off yet and seeing if those are perhaps a better fit for my lifestyle because so far I haven't had much luck this season. By the way, the shape on this dress is pretty nice. If you are looking for one that's shapely, I think it's pretty good. And then the 2 pockets here, of course, which I always take out and actually use them as pockets. Sacrilege, I know. Have a wonderful day or night, and thank you for watching.